Hello and welcome to FloPLast Technical Tuesday. Now with the autumn nearly upon us, now is a time to consider protecting your rainwater systems and underground drainage systems from leaves and debris. Here at FloPLast we have 5 different leaf and debris protection options available that can prevent your rainwater and drainage systems from becoming blocked. So whether you're looking for a quick fix or a more substantial option, here at FloPLast we have the right solution for you. I'll start with our OG1, which is our balloon guard. The balloon guard is simply placed into the running outlet and assists with the prevention of leaves and debris from entering the downpipe. Please note that from time to time the debris does build up around the balloon, so this will need clearing, as it doesn't stop your guttering from becoming blocked. Our second option is our GB4, which is our gutter brush, available in both black and white. This simply sits in the gutter and keeps the leaves etc. from entering the guttering system, but allows the rainwater to continue to flow through. The gutter brush is available in 4 metre lengths. Our third option is our FG1, which is our flow guard. This flat grid simply fits in the top of the gutter and prevents debris from entering your rainwater system. It comes as a 5 metre pack made up of 10 500mm sections. Now as you can see, it is very easy to clip together, and should you require to cut it because you don't quite need a 500mm length, you can just use a standard pair of scissors to reduce the length. Our fourth option is our DG1, known as our drain guard. This simply fits at the bottom of the downpipe over the gully and prevents leaves and debris from entering the underground drainage system. Now, there are actually installation markings on the back of the product highlighting where you would need to cut depending on the type of downpipe you have. Now, should you have any 32, 40 or 50mm waste that drains into the gully, there are also markings on the side detailing where to cut depending on the pipe size you have. Now finally, we have our D94, which is known as our Leaf and Debris Interceptor Gully, which again fits at the bottom of the downpipe. Similar to our drain guard, this prevents debris from entering the underground drainage system. And as you can see, there is a basket inside the product which captures all the debris. So from time to time, this will need clearing out. Now if you'd like any additional information on these products, or if you have any questions, please contact our technical team at technical@floplast.co.uk.